My name is Ricardo Tarin, and today I will be talking about HVAC and their benefits for our health. Imagine walking into a building on a very hot summer day and immediately feeling a rush of cool, refreshing air. The simple pleasure is the work of HVAC systems. Today we'll delve into how HVAC systems operate, why they are vital for maintaining comfortable indoor environments, and their role in providing our health and productivity for our lives. By the end of the speech, you'll not only understand the mechanics behind HVAC systems but also appreciate their profound impact on our daily lives and environments. We'll cover three main ideas. First, the basic principles of HVAC systems. Second, their importance in maintaining indoor comfort. The third, their effects on health and productivity. Let's begin by exploring the fundamentals and principles of HVAC systems. So, HVAC systems, which stand for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, are designed to regulate indoor climate. The heating process involves a furnace of heat pump that generates heat and distributes it throughout the space, either a home or a facility or even a small space. Conversely, cooling involves an air conditioner or heat pump that removes the heat from the indoor air, making the environment cooler. HVAC systems consist of several components. There is a compressor, which compresses refrigerant gas, and it increases the pressure and temperature for the refrigerant. The condenser releases the heat from the refrigerant to the outside environment. An evaporator coil absorbs the heat from the indoor air, which cools it down. A thermostat controls the temperature by regulating the HVAC system based on the setting that you set it on. Now that we have a grasp of how HVAC systems function, let's discuss their role in maintaining comfortable indoor environments. Regulation of temperature and humidity levels. HVAC systems are crucial for maintaining consistent temperature and humidity levels inside buildings. Proper temperature controls ensures comfort, while managing humidity levels present issues like mold growth and excessive dryness, which can damage a building material and furnishings. The impact on energy efficient and cost savings. Modern HVAC systems are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Advanced systems use technology such as variable speed motors and smart thermostats to minimize energy consumption, which will obviously help you save money on the long run. This not only reduces utility bills but also supports environmental sustainability by lowering carbon footprints. Having established the significance of HVAC systems in creating comfortable environments, let's explore their impacts on our health and productivity. The quality of indoor sorry, the quality of indoor air is crucial for health. Poor air quality, which can result from inadequate ventilation and filtration, is linked to respiratory problems and other health issues. According to the Environment Protection Agency, also known as EPA, maintaining good air quality involves proper ventilation and using air filters to reduce pollutants. Studies, including those from the National Center of Biotechnology Information, have shown that a well-regulated indoor environment can significantly boost productivity. Comfortable temperatures, good air quality, and effective lighting can improve concentration, reduce fatigue, and enhance overall performance either at work or at school. With a clearer understanding of how HVAC systems support both comfortable and health, let's summarize the key points we've covered today. Today, we explored the basic principles behind HVAC systems, their essential role in ensuring comfortable indoor environments, and their significant impact on our health and productivity. HVAC systems are more than just mechanisms for heating and cooling. They are integral to our daily lives and well-being. As technology advances, these systems will only continue to evolve, playing an ever more crucial role in shaping our future living and working spaces. Thank you. Have a good day.